So hello guys, my name is Harshit and you are watching Optimal Art, and in this video I will tell you how you can change the color of an object from something like this to this. So let's begin. So for that you need to go on window, then you need to select adjustments and a adjustment panel will pop on your screen. Now you need to select use as saturation, and as you click it you will notice that a new layer will be created. So after that you need to consider the color that you want to change. So for example, in this photo I want to change the color red. So now I will select the color red. And now I can easily change the color using the U slider, as you can see on my screen. So now I will convert it into a green shoe. Next is the saturation button. So you can either desaturate it or oversaturate it, it's entirely up to you. And next is the lightness slider. So you can either lighten the photo or darken the photo, and I have lightened it a bit. It really depends on photo to photo. And as you can see, I have taken this picture from Unsplash, so you can also download this photo from Unsplash and follow along me. So now I am zooming a bit to show you that how real does it look. And as you can see, this looks like we have an actual green shoe here over here, and this is how we can change the color of an object. And now I have shown you the preview, and after we have changed the color also. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.